Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hello bakers. In this video I will explain how to bake delicious vegan bread. We'll begin by exploring the core plant-based ingredients that make this possible, like active dry yeast, all-purpose flour, and plant milk. You'll discover simple swaps for traditional items such as eggs and dairy, often using ingredients like flax eggs or nut milks. Make sure you have your large mixing bowl, measuring cups, and a 9 by 5 inch loaf pan ready to go. Let's get started on this rewarding baking journey. Now let's get our hands a little messy. First, combine all your dry ingredients, like 3 cups of flour and 1 teaspoon of salt, in a large bowl. Next, activate your yeast by dissolving 2 1/4 teaspoons of active dry yeast in 1 cup of warm water, around 105 degrees Fahrenheit, with a pinch of sugar. Once foamy, add it to your dry mix along with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Knead the dough for about 10 to 12 minutes on a lightly floured surface until it's smooth and springs back when poked. After kneading, it's time for the dough to rest and rise. Place your dough in a lightly oiled bowl, cover it with a clean kitchen towel, and let it proof in a warm, draft-free spot. This usually takes 1 to 2 hours, or until it has doubled in size. Once risen, gently punch down the dough to release the air. Then, turn it out onto a lightly floured surface and shape it into your preferred loaf or individual rolls, ensuring an even thickness for optimal baking results. The final steps are baking and cooling. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. Place your shaped loaf into the preheated oven and bake for approximately 30 to 40 minutes. You'll know it's done when the crust is a beautiful golden brown and it sounds hollow when you tap the bottom. Once baked, immediately transfer the bread to a wire rack and let it cool completely for at least 1 hour before slicing. This ensures a perfect texture every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.